Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix when the screen rotation isn't working on your OnePlus 12R. So, at first what I do recommend doing is to open your settings in your device and open the display and brightness. Here, scroll a little bit down so that you can see the rotate option. And if you do have it gray, make sure, like this gray, make sure that this is blue, right? Like this. It's because sometimes you may think that your screen rotation is working when, for example, here you have this blue, but sometimes your system may bug and it's really gray. The option is disabled and it just doesn't work. So actually it's like this, so make sure that it's blue. Apart from that, you can just try to disable and enable the option. This should fix everything for you. If it did work for you, that's nice, but if it didn't, you have to click the power and volume up button and push this little white circle to the restart, like that. Now our phone will be restarted and it will reset all the sensors in our device. Now, as you can see, our device is turned on. Now you can just easily check if it works for you. For example, if it works for you, you can leave a like and subscribe because that's it for you. If it still doesn't work for you, you have to go to the phone settings and scroll all the way down to System and Update. Here tap Software Update, and as you can see here, I don't have the network connection, but if you do, what I recommend doing is to contact the device support because your device may be broken. And if you don't have the update here, you just have to contact device support because the device is broken. And if you do see here an update, just update your phone because this may be a bug fix for you. If this software update did fix your bug, that's nice. But if it didn't, you have to contact device support because your device may be just broken. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.